Student, welcome back to Google Classroom. Student, today topic we will going to start geometry. Okay, and in the first chapter of geometry is basic concept in geometry. Before that, I had give you one small video of that concept. I had explained you in that concept. Okay, student. Now in this lecture we are going to solve the exercise question. Okay. Here the first question is practice at 1.1. Find the distance with the help of number line given below. See students, I had made you the number line. Okay, this is our number line, and every number points having their coordinate name also and coordinate points also. Every number points having their names and points also. Come on student. Very first question, D. Small d indicate distance. Right now, distance of B and E. We have to solve the distance of B and E. So how are we going to write here solution? See here. How are we going to write? Coordinate of point. First we have to see B. Batao. See student, from the number line we have to find what is the coordinate of point B. See, coordinate of point B is 2. Right? Next. Coordinate of point, next we have to find E. So coordinate of point E is equals to, what is the coordinate of point E is here? We got 5. Okay student? Come on, next. Then since, come on student, who is bigger than whom? Yes, how are we going to write here? 5 is bigger than 2. Right? So therefore we have to find the distance of B and E. So how are we going to write? 5 minus 2. So we got the answer as 3. Write here 3 unit. Distance between B and E, therefore distance between B and E is equals to 3 unit. Okay student? Next. Second one. What is the second one we have to find? Distance between J and A. Distance between J and A. So how are we going to write here? Write here first. Coordinate of point J. Come on, what is the coordinate of point J? Find from the number line. See here J written. That is minus 2. Minus 2. And coordinate of point, which one? A, no? So what is the coordinate of point A is here? 1. How are we going to write here? Since, or speak it out student, which number is bigger to whom? Number 1 is bigger than minus 2. Right now? Positive number always bigger with the negative number. So therefore, distance of J and A. 1 minus 2. We have to minus both these, no? So 1 minus 2. Minus became plus is equal to 3. Write here unit. How are we going to write here? Distance of J and A equals to 3 unit. Understood? The next third one. Third one. What is third question? We have to find PC. Distance of P and C. So how are we going to write here? Coordinate of point. The first point is P. What is the coordinate of first point? P is minus 4. Okay. So write here minus 4. Again. Coordinate of point. Which point we have to find next? That is C. What is the point C here? C we got 3. Positive 3. So write here since 3 is bigger than minus 4. Right student? So how are we going to write here? Distance of P and C equals to 3 minus 4. 3 minus became plus. 3 plus 4 became 7 unit. So therefore, distance of PC is equals to 7 unit. Understood, student? See, student, it is an integer number line where to the right hand side we have all the positive number and to all the left hand side we have negative number. You know that very well. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 question I have made you solve on the board. Remaining 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to solve in your notebook. Okay, as an assignment. Take out the pic and send to me. Okay. Look one time, and I am going to explain you the next question. Okay, the next question I am writing on the board, that is question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance of AB. Very first question is that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Second, x is equal to 6, y is equal to -2. Third, x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 7. Okay, student. Now again we have to find the distance. Same formula we have to write. Okay, same pattern we have to write. But different in this question is here we have given x and y value instead of a and b. They said find AB, distance of AB, but using the different types of value we have to find it. Okay, here I am writing solution of first question. See, what is that? Coordinate of A. We have to find the coordinate or distance between A and B. The coordinate of A is what? X, and the value of x is given here 1. Next, coordinate of B, that is y, and what is given here? 7. Same students, since who is bigger to whom? Yes, 7 is bigger than 1. So therefore, distance of A and B, distance of A and B is equals to 7 minus 1. Okay, what is 7 minus 1 is 6. So therefore, distance of A and B equals to 6 unit. This is a simple way I am making you understood. Okay, you can go like this also. Here y is bigger than x, so y minus x. You can replace like this also, or do it like also in a simple way. Okay, student. The next question, question number 2. What is question number 2 we have here? Write here the statement. Coordinate of A is x and first value of x is given 6. Next, coordinate of B is y, that is -2. Since, yes, 6 is bigger than -2, so therefore distance of A and B equals 6 minus -2, that is minus plus, so 6 plus 2 became 8. So therefore distance of A and B is equals to 8 units. Understood, student? So on the question, third one. Write the statement again. Coordinate of A is x, and what the value of x is given here? -3. Okay. given here 7. So since, yes, look it out student, which number is bigger than whom? Yes, 7 is bigger than minus 3. So therefore distance of A and B is equals to 7 minus 3 minus plus. So I got 10. So therefore distance of A and B is equal to 10 unit. Understood student? Right now remaining 3 sum, 4, 5, 6 question you have to do continuously. Okay, after these 3 questions start solving the 3 question. Look one more time, then I am going to explain you the next question. Okay student, understood? Now we are going to write the third question on the board. See it. The third question I am getting you to solve in the board. Third question is, the third question is given from the information given below. Find which of the point is between the other two. If the point are not collinear, state so. Come on. First question. What is first question? Distance between P and R is given 7. Distance between P and Q is given 10. And distance between that is Q and R is given 3. Student, what is the question given? We have to find that which point is between the other 2 points. Which is point between other 2 points. If they are collinear, we can express which point will come. If they are non-collinear, non-collinear, the point should be come in a one straight line. Right now? Come on. Here by writing the solution. Students, see, first of all we have 3 distance. First we are going to pick up the bigger distance. What is bigger distance here? This one, na PQ. So distance of P and Q, that is 10. Right? Put the equation number 1 here. What is next? Distance, we have remaining 2 distance, P and R. Plus, we have to plus remaining 2 distance. Okay student? Q and R. What is Q? PQ we have here 7 and QR we have here 3. So that we got. Understood? Now from you have to write from equation number 1 and 2. Let me plus, what is the bigger distance? We have distance of PQ is equal. See, we got both of these distance are equal now. So what we got? Distance of PQ equals to distance of PR plus distance of QR. Okay? Now how we going to make understood which point will come in between of which point? See student, P, Q, PR and QR. So here we write point R is between point P and point Q. So therefore they are collinear. Understood, student? Okay. Now we are going to do the second one. The second question is distance of RS equals to 8, distance of ST equals to 6, and distance of RT equals to 4. Okay? Come on, student. First of all, we decide now which we have 3 distance, and in that which are the highest distance, that is 8. So solution, distance of RS equals to 8, put equation number 1, and remaining 2 distance we have to plus it. ST plus distance of RT. Now distance of ST we got 6, RT 4, became 10. Put the equation number 2. Come on, student, here 2 distances are different now. So how are you going to write here? So therefore distance of RS is not equal to distance of ST plus distance of RT. So therefore they are non-collinear or not collinear, you can say. And when they are not collinear, so we don't have to make the middle point. Understood? Okay, students. Understood what I taught you? Now in that we have 6 questions. 1 and 2 I had solved you. Remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 you have to solve it by your own. Okay? Look one more time. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.